Mike Link, running for the board of Viroqua Food Co-op. I'm a local organic farmer, previously career as an engineering executive, a lot of experience with financial management and organization management. I've previously been on the board here at the co-op 9 years, including a run as president. Throughout the community conversation about the expansion of the co-op, also involved with the planning, the financial aspect of putting that program together, and assisting during construction management of the new store. That was a very exciting time, and we've ended up with a lovely product. Continuing beyond that, we're entering COVID times when my term expired on the board. Took some time off and have been spending time on the farm. But I'm really interested in getting back to working with the community, the co-op community here at Viroqua Food Co-op, re-engaging with the role of the board as fiduciary for the co-op. Also, management oversight and fiscal responsibility, trying to get things to continue to run as smoothly as they are now, hopefully with some improvements over the next 3 years, which would be the term. So I look forward to meeting you during Meet the Board candidates. Look forward to that, re-engaging with a lot of you. I see most of you in town, so I'm looking forward to you voting for me to get me back on the board. And I thank you for your membership here at the co-op and your work you do for the community. Thanks a lot.